Wait, before you skip this video, listen to this. A boy once failed so many times. People said he would never succeed. His name was Ethan, and he lived in a small American town. Ethan was not the smartest student in school. His grades were average, sometimes even worse. Teachers doubted him. Classmates laughed at his dreams. One day, he failed an important exam. He walked home slowly, his head down, his heart heavy. For a moment, he thought about quitting. But that night, something changed. He looked at the mirror and said one simple line, "I will try again tomorrow." The next morning, he woke up earlier than usual. While everyone was sleeping, Ethan started studying. Day after day, he kept improving. Slowly, step by step. Some days were hard. Some nights were full of doubt. But Ethan kept moving forward. Years passed. The boy who once failed started winning. Then one day, he had a crazy idea. He wanted to start a business. People laughed again. They said, "You will fail." But Ethan remembered something important. Every failure had already made him stronger. So he started anyway. Late nights, long days, many mistakes. But he kept learning. He kept building. Months later, something amazing happened. His small idea started growing. Customers started coming. His business was working. The same people who laughed before now asked him for advice. One student asked him a question. "How did you become successful?" Ethan smiled and said, "I never stopped trying. I failed many times, but I never quit." And then he said one final line, "Dreams don't work unless you do." So remember this, your story is not over yet. Your failure is not the end. Sometimes, it's just the beginning.